The error "can't connect to the internet" error code 016 is shown when trying to stream content on Roku, and it indicates connectivity issues between the Roku device and the Roku servers. Before you apply the methods to solve Roku error code 016, ensure the internet is working on other devices and move your Roku device closer to your wireless router. Method 1. Perform a power cycle on your router, TV, and Roku device. First, shut down your Roku device and TV. Then, unplug your router, TV, and Roku device one by one. After that, wait for at least 20 seconds and let all the devices switch off completely. Now, plug in each device one by one and restart them. Finally, check whether you are able to stream videos on Roku without error code 016. Method 2. Set up a new connection. Press the Home button on the remote and select the Network option. Click on the Set Up New Connection option and select the Wireless button. Highlight and select your internet connection and enter the password for it. Wait for the connection to be established and check to see if the issue persists. Method 3. Contact Roku support. This issue is mostly related to an issue with either service blockage on Roku's end or due to the lack of support from a particular channel. Therefore, it is recommended that you check in with Roku's customer support and inform them of the exact issue that you are facing. They will be able to assist you better in this regard.